One of the most delicious recipes that almost every one of you has made is chicken with curry sauce. But today I'm giving this recipe a little twist and I'll be making chicken with gnocchi in the sauce. This is one delicious and perfect recipe that is made in almost no time, but tastes so yummy. Firstly, you need to dice your chicken into small cubes. I choose to cook in cast aluminum and emery cookware, which is new to our market and where you can buy it only in various supermarkets on coupon sale. Collect enough coupons and buy this pan with 50% discount. I'm using the cookware and emery and have to admit that I'm amazed of their modern look, the way of the meal is cooked in them, because all of the heat is distributed equally and the food is prepared faster than usual. Heat some oil in a frying pan and cook the chicken. Season with salt and pepper to taste and sprinkle some dried oregano. Don't worry that chicken breast will stick while it cooks because the pan is coated with good quality of coating that prevents food from sticking and burning. While the chicken is still cooking, in a pot with salted water, cook the gnocchi. All the chicken pieces place in a plate that is lined with the kitchen towel to absorb any excess oil. In the same pan, add the butter and let it melt completely. When bubbly, cook the gnocchi for about 5 minutes until golden brown in color. At the moment, add the chicken pieces into the pan and sprinkle some freshly ground black pepper. Curry powder, add the minced garlic cloves and heavy cream. Stir and cook the recipe for about 2 to 3 minutes. Serve this chicken gnocchi in a plate and sprinkle some grated parmesan cheese, chopped bacon chips, and freshly chopped parsley. This is one simple and delicious idea for your upcoming lunch. The full ingredient list you will find in the description box down below. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more coming in future. Have fun cooking until the next time.